Hey guys, what is up? Teddy here, and today I will show you guys how to do freeze stacks. This is very common in B-boy because you see a lot of people doing transitions of freezes, and it's very good because it allows you to train your core and also build up your strength. Overall, you can become a better B-boy. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the tutorial. I divided this into 6 freezes, alright? So please make sure you are able to do all of them. But don't worry, the freeze that I'm showing you guys here are basic freeze. Okay, so we're gonna start with baby freeze, and then baby freeze transitions, chair, back to baby freeze, headstand to handstand. Alright, very simple. Now let's start. Okay, baby freeze. From here we're gonna go to chair freeze. Chair. Alright, here we're gonna back to baby freeze, headstand, handstand. You can see that the reason I chose this freeze because I want to add in levels. So we start with basic level here, the lowest level. From there you can see that we are moving forward, go to headstand and then handstand. Alright, that's the key. You want to make sure that you are able to play along with the levels, because if you just stuck in one level here, you're not building your strength maximally. Okay, so you want to maximize your potential. You want to play with the levels. Alright, so now let's move on. We're gonna continue with the same thing, but this time we're gonna level up. Instead, we're gonna stop from handstand. Now we're gonna continue from handstand back to the first step. So you're gonna use your handstand, transit to the first step, which is the baby freeze. From there, you're gonna keep going again to the handstand. Alright, let's try. Baby, baby, chair, baby, headstand, handstand, baby, chair. Take a breath. Headstand.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
As you can see, it's not very easy to do it, but it's very fun, alright? And I can promise you, you can feel your upper body strength is building up. Like, trust me, okay? And the other thing is, I want to say is that it doesn't have to be the 6 freeze that I just showed you. You can build your own freeze stacks, alright? And just be creative with it. Make sure that you apply the levels that I talked about, alright? Make sure that the freeze, the stack that you'll be doing is slowly going up, and then after that, like I said, you can try from up to down. Okay, so doesn't really matter what it is, just make sure you apply the levels onto the freeze stacks. You can tag me in my IG, or let me know your YouTube link. I can check it out and I can give you some tips. Great, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Go, go, go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And